today is Tablescape Tuesday, and I am bringing you another beautiful tablescape. And of course, I'm going to use my signature colors, sage green, silver, and you know I love my clear. I told you last week that I got this clear charger plate from 99 cents only for 99 cents. So we're going to start off this video today with this charger plate. I have a couple of DIYs that I'm about to bring to you. I am a new subscriber on Christina Davis channel. And guys, she was making these beautiful coasters on her channel. I'll make sure I link her information below. But I did not know that we could use resin powder inside our molds. And this is what I created. You see how beautiful that is? And that's what I created. So I'm excited to get started so you all can see this beautiful tablescape in my glam colors. Let's go ahead and get started. Of course, we start out each and every Tuesday by cleaning the table. Gotta have a clean, sparkling table to have a beautiful tablescape. Next, I'm using my tray that I created. I'll make sure I link it. And I have this beautiful floral pot that I made a nice centerpiece in. And you'll see more of it at the end. I'm going in with these beautiful candle holders that I got from Burlington. And they have two different sizes. I got those back in 20 when I first moved to Las Vegas for the first time. And I'm using the same candles that I had for last week tablescape, and I got these candles from Hobby Lobby. This beautiful green placemat I got this past summer from Dollar Tree. Now I have my beautiful charger that I got from 99 cents only. You know, I love my clear, guys. After I put the charger down, I realized it was missing something. It just was not giving. So I found these placemats in my stash that I got from eFavorMart. Once I put it up under the charger, oh, it definitely was giving and popping afterwards. I found these beautiful green plates at Dollar Tree the same time that I found the placemats, and so I grabbed a hold of them while I could. Now the color is just a little off from my regular sage, but it still works pretty good. These saucers I got at Temu, and I added a printed pattern plate that I got from Home Goods that I spray painted the back of the plate silver. And I found some smaller saucers that I got from Dollar Tree. These glass bowls I got years ago, and I believe I got them from Big Lots. And I'm going in with a pine cone that I'm setting in there. But wait, these pine cones weren't doing anything. And I remember when I went over to Hobby Lobby, they had beautiful pine cones in sparkly different colors. But I did my own. I'll make sure I link the DIY for that. And of course, these beautiful, beautiful coasters that I made. I also made these cups. The bottom, I will link that. This is for display only, and I'm going to show you on the DIY how I take it apart in case I want to wash it. These beautiful napkin rings, I made those also. Well, actually, I just put some wallpaper around them, but they came out beautiful. Now here is the reveal. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for coming back once again to enjoy another beautiful Tuesday tablescape. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate you joining the family to see me creating and DIYing every week. And thank you so much to each and every subscriber that I have. My channel would be absolutely nothing without you. Thank you guys, and be blessed.